Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. Also, I invite you guys to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And so this here is the new SNT Y60. You guys know that I love these little micro RC cars, and this one is very special. I really love this thing. This is a micro crawler, and so you guys might remember SNT came out with this little popular FPV car, and SNT is affiliated with Diatone, and so this is their latest little FPV car. This is an FPV car, and it's a crawler. These little plates on top of the trucks can be removed, and a camera can be dropped on top. It's all magnetic. Check it out. And this thing is an FPV crawler. It has suspension and all. Really awesome little crawler here in the micro size. Check it out. The wheels are brass and everything for weight, and they actually offer two different positions for the camera, so you can put the camera in the back for a different view, or you can put it up front. It changes the weight of the vehicle as well, so when you're crawling with it back here, it could make you back heavy, and you can flip over that way if you're climbing. And if you have it here, it could give you a little more center balance, but either way, you're going to be top heavy and you could flip over. And so if you're doing some serious crawling with it, you can just remove the cameras and just crawl with it line of sight. And this thing is a really good crawler. This thing is 4x4. Check out the little worm gear is in here and all. And it has this little telescopic drivetrain there. Really awesome little trucks here. I have two of them. It comes in two colors, green and red, the ones you see here. This transmitter came with another one of their FPV cars that I had. The power button is now just a little button there. It has a really good travel as far as the suspension. Check that out. It even comes with a little rock, but check out the clearance on this thing. Check that out. Really awesome articulation when you're crawling with this little guy. And it's really capable. It's a quite capable crawler for its size. I was surprised at all the little obstacles that this thing can make it over and everything. Fully proportional hobby grade RC cars in a miniature form. The lights work. They have working headlights and all. Has high beams. You can turn the lights off. Turn them on normally. Back to the high beams. So this is the transmitter that you would get for it if you get the ready to run version of it. And it has this little mounting hole on top. I have been mounting monitors on this thing so I can drive it FPV. You just have to get yourself a little ball mount like this, and you just screw it on there and whatnot, and then you screw the monitor on top and all, and you can drive this guy around FPV with the monitor on the transmitter. It has two sets of tires. One set of tires are a little more knobby and all, and then you have these tires here that it comes with. They're a little more smooth and whatnot. It comes with a USB charging cable. And you can also buy a separate camera. I bought myself a separate FPV camera like this. And it comes with the magnet attachment. These little attachments here. This can be screwed off. And it has wires on the other side for you to wire it up. And then you can have it set up like this. Really awesome little crawlers. I absolutely love these things. They have turn. Oh, I forgot to mention the lights. It has turn signals as well, and brake lights. The size that they're claiming this to be is 1/64 scale, and it seems about right. They're a little larger than their previous models, and I think the longer wheelbase makes it better too. More stability and all. The SNT Y60, the world's smallest crawler. Thanks for watching.